Hello student of class 11, this video is the continuation part of set theory. Here I will explain the proof A intersection B minus C that is equal to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Let X be any element of the set A intersection B minus C. X belongs to, that means X belongs to A intersection C. That means X belongs to A intersection means and X belongs to B minus C. That means X belongs to A and X belongs to B and X not belongs to C. B minus C means X belongs to B, X belongs to not belongs to C. That means X belongs to A, X belongs to and X belongs to B and X belongs to A and X belongs to C. Okay. This is X belongs to A, X not belongs to C, but here I can write X belongs to A intersection B, that means intersection, that is this is A minus B, A union B and X not belongs to X not, this is X not, X belongs to this and here I can write this is and X belongs to, X not belongs to A intersection C, A intersection C. X belongs to A, X not belongs to C. That means X not belongs to X A intersection C. X belongs to A intersection B, but X not belongs to A intersection C. That means X belongs to A intersection B minus A intersection C. Okay. So A minus A intersection B minus C is subset of A intersection B minus A intersection C. Okay. Next, let Y be any element of the set A minus B, A intersection B minus A intersection C. That is X belongs to A intersection B minus A intersection C. That means X belongs to A intersection B, X not belongs to A intersection C. X belongs to A intersection B, sorry, that is here I will write Y. Y belongs to A intersection B minus A intersection C means A intersection, Y belongs to A intersection B, but y not belongs to A intersection C. That means y belongs to A and y belongs to B. This is, and y not belongs to A intersection C. That means y belongs to, I can write y belongs to A and y not belongs to C. I can write it. So I can write y belongs to A and y belongs to B, y not belongs to C. Y not belongs to C. That means I can write y belongs to A and y belongs to B minus C. That means y belongs to A intersection B minus C. That is, this is the subset of A intersection B minus C. We can, then I can write this equal to this equal to this equal to this. Okay. Similarly you will prove A minus B union C equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. First, you will take x be any element of this, that means x belongs to A, x not belongs to B union C, and after that you will prove this theorem, this prove, and second you will prove A minus B intersection C, that is equal to A minus B intersection A minus C. Okay. You will prove it. Next question is, if B is subset of A, then prove that B minus A, that is equal to phi. This is the solution. By the problem we have B subset of A. That means x belongs to, if x be any element of B, then x belongs to B imply x belongs to A. B is subset of A, that means any element belongs to both A and B. That means x belongs to B implies x belongs to A. If possible, let us assume that B minus A equal to phi. If possible, B minus A equal to phi. That means B minus A not equal to phi. If possible, let us assume B minus A not equal to phi. That means there is at least one element x belongs to B minus A. Okay. That means x belongs to B and x not belongs to A. That means x belongs to A and x not belongs to A. since x belongs to B imply x belongs to A. So I can write for x belongs to B equal to x belongs to A and x not belongs to A. By the statement this cannot be true, by the statement this cannot be true. It is impossible at a time because x belongs to A and x not belongs to A. It is impossible. So our assumption, this is our assumption is wrong. So B minus A equal to 5. This is proved. Okay, I am ending here.